Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a parameter to change the date levels dynamically in Tableau. So for this, I have created three custom date fields in data pane, and I have created one calculated field, and I have created one parameter to choose the date levels dynamically. So first let me remove all these and let me do from scratch. So I am going to delete this calculated field and I will remove these three custom fields. Let me delete this parameter too. So first I am going to create three custom fields for year, month and date. So click on this drop down of the order date and choose this create and click on custom date. So in this detail, click on this drop down and select years and then click on OK. So for the years custom field is created. So click on this drop down again and click on create. Then choose this custom date. Now select months. And similarly for the day, click on this drop down, create custom date, choose days. Then click on OK. So we have created three custom date fields. So we need to create a parameter to choose these fields dynamically. Click on this drop down, create parameter and name this parameter as choose date level and data type is string. At allowable values, choose list and type year, month and day. Then click on OK. So right click on this parameter and click on show parameter. So from here you can select the date level. So to switch these values based on the selection, you need to create a calculated field. Click on this drop down and create calculated field. And I will name this calculation as date level, case parameter name. When the chosen value is year, then field name order date of years. So similarly for when chosen value is a month, then field name order date of months. So similarly for when chosen value is a day, then custom field order date of days. And click on OK and drag this calculated field into row shelf. Then change this to exact date and drag cells into column shelf. Let me swap this. So from the parameter control, if I select year, then you will get the values of year. So if I select month, then you will get the some sales values by month. So if I select day dynamically from a parameter, then you will get the sales values by day. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and like this video.